Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by opening settings and ensuring your phone is updated. This avoids hidden bugs. Once done, navigate directly to sounds and haptics so you can change keyboard audio options. Make sure focus or accessibility shortcuts aren't blocking changes. They can override sound. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID or passcode. You're taking the first actionable steps now, accessing the sound controls, confirming system health, and preparing for the specific toggles that silence typing noises. Now you'll turn off the keyboard clicks. You do this in setting sounds and haptics by toggling keyboard clicks off. That directly stops the built-in click audio. Next, make sure your focus or silent switch isn't creating exceptions. Some focus modes can let system sounds through. If you use a third-party keyboard, open its app or keyboard settings and disable sound there too. This explains why both system and app-level toggles matter. One controls iOS clicks, the other controls add-on keyboards. Finish by testing in a simple app like Notes to confirm clicks are gone. If you still hear sound, restart the iPhone to clear transient settings conflicts. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Mute isn't interfering. Paradoxically, some modes change behavior. If problems continue, use Settings General Reset All settings as a last step. This restores sound preferences without deleting data. If that fails, update or remove third-party keyboards and contact Apple support for device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.